Hi guys, welcome to my channel that's learning. Today, we're going to see the same thing which we were doing since last three sessions of videos. It is based on proportion. But in today's class, we're going to continue the exercise 12.1 that we were continuing in the previous class. So, we mainly did We mainly finished off with the question 1 and 2 last video. That means the updated version of your textbook. We finished two questions. We have to go with question number 3. I'll continue with it. You all know what's our ratio, and I don't think so you need any recap about it, right? Just turn it. So we are doing the chapter ratio and proportion. Ratio and proportion. Continuing with our exercise 12.1. So in exercise 12.1, we are going to see the question 4. Sorry, question not the question 4. We will see in question number 3. So what is this question number 3 says? If you have the textbook, you can read the question aloud or in your mind, in whatever way you are comfortable. I'm just writing a heading. Okay, so if the space is not, if you cannot see it, it is the heading. Okay, it's just a heading. Okay, you have to just focus what I write now. So we are doing the question number 3. In the question number 3, I find in my textbook. It is written, see the figure and find the ratio of. Is the figure given to us? Now you see, even now this figure is given, so I'll draw the figure on the board, and then you can just take a snapshot or screenshot of it. If you don't have a textbook, it's just a rough figure, right? I'm not measuring anything. This is a square. Square. And then triangle. Let's do the circle. And another type of triangle. And then almost one square and a circle. Okay. Yes. So question number 3, you can take a snapshot of it as this. Erase it now. I just drew a figure so that if you don't see that, you can just take a snapshot from your device and solve it out with in your separate sheet of paper or wherever you are doing it. So the first question, that means the third part. So the third question, part A of the question says number of triangles, the number of circles in the. So we have 3 triangles. I'll just write it, right? We have 3 triangles, 1, 2, and 3. And how many circles do we have inside a rectangle? We have 2 circles inside a rectangle. Now it is already in slow step, so answer will be 3, right? So according to my textbook, if these are the numbers, if you cannot find these numbers, you can refer to the diagram I just drew now, right? Numbers of squares, put all figures inside the rectangle. So number of squares. So there are 2 squares, and I think there are 7 figures here. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, there are 7 figures here. So the ratio will be 2 by. And then we are going to the sheaf. I just like see here because we don't have space down. We have it for me. Number of circles to all figures which are rectangle. So we know all the figures which are 7 and number of circles. Circles are also 2. Yes. So say this is 2 by right here also. Hope this question is clear to all of you. If you have any doubts, you can just write it in the comment box, and then easily I'll note it down in a piece of paper, and then I'm just going to solve it and explain your doubt in the next class. So question 3 we solved. It was very interesting. Comment in the chat box if you find it interesting, and comment in the chat box if you don't find the question 3 interesting. So question 4. Question 4 says distance traveled by Hammer and Akhtar in an hour are 9 kilometers and 12 kilometers. So that means distance traveled by Hamid and Akhtar. Now you see children in these type of questions, it may be they are not given Hamid travels 9 kilometers. It's given in separate columns. So for these questions, what you can do, you can just see suppose Hamid is first. So the first number will be for Hamid. So that's why Hamid will be 9 kilometers and Akhtar will be 12 kilometers. Understand? You should find the ratio of speed from Hamid to the speed of Akhtar. So Hamid to Akhtar. So it's given in order only, right? Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. Quickly solve this question. 1 minute. Only 1 minute. Okay, solve the question. So I'll tell you the answer. So 9 and 12 you can reduce by 3, right? Only 3 is the factor of these both. So highest factor, so 3 is just and 3 4 are. So your ratio will be 3 by 4. Okay? So we finished 4 question as well. Children, if you have any doubt in the question or you're gonna find the answers or you want to check your answers are correct, at the end of the all the things there is answer copy also given at the end of the textbook. So then refer to it, right? So now we see the fifth question. Fifth question, right? Fill in the following blanks. Now what are equivalent ratios? We have seen all about ratios, but we didn't see what are equivalent. Now if I give you any answer, a direct answer for that, it won't help neither me nor you. So if I'll explain you everything how what are equivalent ratios, okay, so that it can help you whenever you write your exam. Okay, definitions and method. So suppose if I give you factor like 2 by 3. Now you see over here you have learned in fractions. Now the same thing, you just find the equivalent fractions of this number. You definitely multiply it, right, by any number and then should that. And when you reduce this to your lowest term, answer will come. So that's the way you are finding equivalent ratios. Okay, but in this term, we have one more thing. Suppose if you are given 6 and 18. If this is your question. Now over here, you can either find by multiplying, either by dividing also. So one ratio you can find by dividing. You can go 2 3 dash and 2 6 and you can 3 1 dash and 3 2. Right? Or simply, while you are wasting our time, with 6 only we can do 6 1 dash and 6 3 dash. So our ratio will be 1 by 3. and then we can multiply it to find out the more ratio. So that is known as equivalent ratio. So the same thing we are going to see in the 5th question. It's just like fraction statement. This is 6. Now here, this is in a minute. Okay, so let us continue. If I see, this was a question as I earlier told you. If I see these 5 and that means these two numbers are completely divisible by 3. 8 plus 1, 9, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 and 9 are divisible by 3. Now you see, if we divide these, we get 3 6 stars and 3 5 stars. 3 6 stars are 18 and 3 5 stars are 15. So, for the first block, our answer is 5. Next, 10 by dash. So, here we can do 5 into 2 equals 10 and 6 into 2 which is 12. So, over here our answer is 12. And after that, dash by 30. Answer will be 25, but we are going to see properly. So 12 by 30. So 12 and 30. Let's think. Will answer come 25 or not? Huh? Give me 1 minute time for that. Think. So, hope you finished thinking. Over here, our answer will be 25. Okay? Right? If you have any doubts, you can comment. That's why we chapter title. Now we have one more question here. Are these equivalent ratios? Yes. These are equivalent ratios. Hope that's clear to all of you. And now let us proceed to the next question. Question number 6. Easy and big, but solving will take time. A question says 81 to 108. Children, today we are going to solve only till B. That means only we are going to see only the 6th question. Or else we have to limit the timings of 15 minutes. Or else it will exceed 15 minutes. And we are going to continue it in the next class, the next video. Ratio. So if we see the ratio, 81 will come first and 108 will come first, and then you can divide this by 3. 3 does 9, 1 6 does, and 3 2 does 6, and we get 2 and 1 which will be 7, and we can divide this again by 3 12 does, and 3 9 does, and this will be divided by 3 does, and 3 4 does. So ratio is 3 by 4. Okay, clear. Now let's see the B question. What is the B question says? B was is 98 to 63. Yes. 98 to 63. So ratio will be 98 by 63. And now you cannot divide by 3 this time because 9 plus 8 is 17. It cannot be divided by 3. So can you divide it by which number? You can divide it by 7. So 7 1 ja. 7 2 you will get and 2 4 ja. That means 14 will come because 28 will be 40. That means 28 you will get the remainder 28 and it will be by 4. And 7 4 ja. And then 7 9 ja. Right? Now can you divide this more? You cannot do by 1, you cannot do by 2, 3, 4, 5 also not possible, 6 also not possible, 7 also not, 8, you need a 9. That's all it is. So 14 by 9 is how. Oh, that's clear to one. We move on to our next question. Ratio equals, and this is C, and let's see. Equation 33 kilometers to 121 kilometers. 33 kilometers to 121 kilometers. 33 and 121. You can see this here only you can identify that it is divisible by 3, but no, it's not divisible by 3. 121, it feels like it's divisible by 3, but it's not. It's divisible by 11. 11 plus and 11 3 plus. So the answer is this one was very easy, right? This one is the easiest of all. Because you only identify the answer. These 30 minutes to 45 minutes. 30 minutes to 45 minutes. So 30 by 45, then it will be 9 by 6, then you can do it by 2 jars and 3 jars, ratio is 2 by. So we completed this question and today's video, and we completed the question 6 out of 16, and if you have any doubts you can post in the chat box, that means in the comment box. Have a great day ahead and then great year. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. Hit the bell icon for more updates. Thanks, and the video is over. Have a great year. Year 2021.